Hello and welcome to today's art class. Today I'm going to be showing you how to draw a tunnel aquarium using something called one-point perspective. One-point perspective is when there is just one vanishing point along a horizon line. This technique helps to make it look like there is some depth within your artwork. This is using the art element called space. You will need a piece of paper, you will need a grey lead, and you will also need a ruler. They are the only three things you need to start your one-point perspective aquarium today. Over the next few weeks we're going to be adding lots of different ocean animals, and we will also be adding colour at the end. So make sure that you keep your artwork nice and safe so that you can come back to it in the future weeks. Thank you for watching and see you next time.